7 costly Databricks mistakes and how Intuz fixes them. Are your Databricks costs getting out of hand? You might be making some expensive mistakes without even realizing it.
Here are the top 7 ways companies waste money on Databricks. 1. Running slow or unoptimized code. 2. Letting zombie jobs and orphaned workflows run wild. 3. Over-provisioning with oversized compute. 4. No cost tracking by team or project. 5. Leaving idle clusters on. 6. Inefficient data storage and access. 7. Not using spot instances to save compute costs.
The result? Higher bills, lower performance, and missed insights.
At Intuz, we specialize in fixing exactly these problems. We audit your architecture, tune your clusters, set up smart governance, integrate tracking by project, and reduce your Databricks costs, sometimes by 30% or more. All while ensuring your data pipelines, ML models, and lakehouse setup run at full speed.
With certified Databricks experts across AWS, Azure, and GCP, we've helped fintech, healthcare, retail, and logistics teams do more with less. Want to stop wasting money on Databricks? Book a free consultation with Intuz today. Let's optimize your data and your budget. Thank you.